Hi everybody, my name is Laura Morinio and I'm a web developer advocate for the Samsung Internet team. If you never heard about Samsung Internet before, you're probably wondering what is Samsung Internet. So Samsung Internet is a browser. It's built using the Chromium project, which is open source. Samsung Internet is a default browser for Samsung devices. Anyway, it is available for every Android device. You can download Samsung Internet from your Galaxy Store or your Play Store. Besides this, Samsung is a major contributor to the Chromium project, and you can see its contribution in samsung.github.io/chromium. We offer certain capabilities to make users have a good experience browsing in their mobiles. Some of the features that we have are like dark mode, customized menu, extensions such as translator or video assistants. One of the main things that we care a lot is privacy. We really care about privacy. In order to provide a good user experience in terms of privacy, we have some features implemented like smart anti-tracking, protected browsing, which means that we will warn you from visiting websites that may try to steal your data. And one of the latest features that we have is the content blockers. Samsung Internet for Android allows third-party apps to provide filters for content blocking, making browsing safer and more streamlined. Those are some of the things that you can find on Samsung Internet. And our mission statement as a team is leave the web better than we found it. So how do we do this? We basically work with the community and try to share which are the latest and best practices to build web apps. And of course, try to bring these modern technologies to our browser and support them. Of course, it is related with bringing PWAs in our browser. We are huge supporters of progressive web apps from the very beginning. Samsung Internet is a modern browser which offers certain kind of capabilities that make, like other browsers, possible to have PWAs nowadays. Features like WebXR, fingerprint, of course, privacy, or things related with PWAs like installability. Samsung Internet provides a good experience in terms of showing the user how is a PWA installable. You can see that if you visit a PWA using your Samsung Internet browser, for PWA distribution, it uses this badge that you can see here. It's a small icon and is available for a PWA. But before actually thinking about installability, there are some requirements that you need to have in order to build a PWA. Let's take a look. You probably know this, and if you're not familiar with this concept, I invite you to being around the conference because you're gonna hear about these things a lot. Of course, you need to have HTTPS for security, a valid manifest file, and a service worker. Going back to installability, what does it mean to have a valid manifest file? The manifest file is the one responsible to make your web app installable. So you need to have certain values in order to show the badge that I showed you before in our browser. The values that are mandatory are the following ones. Short name, start URL, icons, and the display mode should be standalone or full screen. So those are the types of requirements to make your PWA installable with Samsung Internet. Another thing that we did with PWAs is to create an effort to help developers to improve PWA's distribution and reach out to more users. What we did was not so long ago, we published PWAs into our Galaxy store so users can find PWAs easily, and they're available for install. Alrighty, we talked a little bit about some of the modern features that it's present in modern browsers like Samsung Internet. But what happens in the future of the web? Everybody's talking about some of the new capabilities, what the web is going to look like, and so on. Every time that we have something new, we need to discuss what is the best practices or how developers can take advantage of these new capabilities, having certain kind of standards. So we do a contribution to this. We work with the W3C, which is the organization that rules the standards for the web. And in collaboration with them and other companies, we build standards. Let me show you the most recent standards that we've been participating. That is called the Device Posture API. The Device Posture API was recently launched and now it's available for you, so you can check it out in the W3C website. And basically what provides is the ability to check what is the current posture of a device. In this case, for example, what is the posture of the devices like foldables, the foldables that are these devices that can fold. For example, the Samsung Galaxy Fold or the Samsung Galaxy Flip. Again, those new things are an opportunity for users to have new ways to interact with the content, and again, for developers to innovate and create different types of content. So that's why we have this new standard that you can check and participate in the conversation. If you're interested in W3C standards, or you would like to see different types of examples or demos, you can check in our GitHub and of course visit the W3C standard website. And if you're still interested in learning more about the modern web capabilities or PWAs, I also suggest you to follow us on social media where we publish most of these blog posts or collabs to share with you the most recent news about the web. And of course, I hope that we can all create more modern web capabilities and bring PWAs to the web. Enjoy the rest of the conference. Thanks.